Hello guys and welcome back. So basically today I'm going to explain how do we find the equation of a straight line when a point and the slope are given. But before we start, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button and stay tuned. So basically here, guys, both the slope of the line and any random point that belong to the line are given. So in this situation, all what we have to do, guys, is to apply the point slope formula. The point slope formula is an equation given as y equal a into x minus xa plus ya, where a is the slope of the line, xa and ya are the coordinates of the point A. So now let us solve a direct example about how do we find the equation of a line using the point slope formula. So in this example, we have to find the equation of line D such that the slope of line D is given as 2 and that the point M35 belongs to the line D. So basically all what we have to do here is to replace the slope A in the formula and the coordinates of the point M. So y equal a into x minus xm plus ym, which means that y equal a, which is 2, into x minus xm, which is 3, plus 5. Then we'll do some calculation here. So y equal 2x minus 6 plus 5, because as you see you multiply 2 by x and 2 by negative 3. After that, so this means that y is equal to 2x minus 1. So guys, which means that the equation of the line D is simply y equal 2x minus 1. So this is how do we find, or this is how we can use the point slope formula to find the equation of a line given a point and a slope. Now please check my next video to learn how do we find the equation of a line if 2 points are given. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.